Welcome back to North of the Broad. I'm your host, Karen Wyman, coming to you from Higher Ground on Ladies Island with the one and only Tim Lovett, owner of Higher Ground.
Hey, Karen.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good. I'm super excited to see you again. It's been a little while.
Good to see you too.
But so much going on here at Higher Ground. I mean, first of all, we know spring is right around the corner, so lots of stuff going on and new merchandise coming in.
Yes, already. I know.
Already.
I just said swimwear's coming in. The warm weather clothing that's gonna, keep you cool and whip moisture away and all that good stuff.
Right. So if anyone's going on vacation, you got some warm weather plans coming up. Just to get away from this gray, drizzly weather. You can certainly come here to Higher Ground and find some of that great stuff for your next trip.
We will get you outfitted for sure.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then along the same lines, I mean, you still have a lot of good merchandise in here. Some of it's got some, big discounts.
Yes.
I'm trying to make sure that so it's a good time to stock up on anything that people may want for the fall and winter next year. So many of these things are timeless, never go out of style.
Yeah.
I'm always looking fashionable with anything you purchase here at Higher Ground.
Well, thanks. Yeah. So all of our fall and winter merchandise that we've got left over, we've got really marked down, some super good deals. So now's the time to come.
Now's the time. And apparently now Hobie wants to
be on the show.
Hobie wants to
get on the show.
Oh well. But of course, spring is coming. We want to remind people to get ready for that kayak and stand-up paddleboard season. Rentals,
yes.
Tours. Obviously, we've got some great new merchandise here behind us,
yes.
New boards, and 2019 kayaks are in?
Yes, the Hobie Outbacks are in that are just awesome. They redesigned the boat this year and made some improvements, and it's kind of been our big seller for it's not really spring yet, but for this time of year, everyone's excited about the new boat. Anyone who's interested in fishing out of a kayak, that is the one.
That is the vehicle.
Super nice. Yep, and you were talking about the marina a minute ago.
Yeah.
We're making some improvements to our slip down there.
Oh, awesome.
It's going to be really easy for people to launch and go paddle right out our back door and do some rentals for kayaks and paddle boards. So.
I mean, there's certainly a lot going on here in this area. There is a recently new owner of the marina.
Yep.
Some improvements have been taking place. So, whether you're coming here, look for some great stuff, to go to the beach or paddle or buy some new yoga clothes to go over there and hit Yoga One. I mean, really a great place to come check out. And even just to walk down here on the marina and watch the sunset, I mean, it's a beautiful view.
It is nice, for sure. Good things going on.
Always. So again, Hunting Island Adventure Biathlon is coming up again March the 9th.
That's correct. Yep, that is a fun race. We do it every year. So all the proceeds go to Sea Island Rotary Club, which
what a great group.
Distributes it all locally here to our charities. So it's a great fundraising event as well as a lot of fun. So you got a 6-mile paddle and a 4.5-mile trail run. That you don't have to do it all by yourself.
You see my eyes rolling, Tim?
You don't do it all by yourself, so you can do the paddle part and someone else can do the run part,
right.
or vice versa. So you can
find yourself a perfect partner.
Yep, you can do it as a team or you can do it as a tandem. So you and Peter could get in a kayak together and paddle.
That would be hysterical.
And then run together.
That would be even funnier.
That would be, yeah. So
we would be the last people. You'd be waiting. We would miss the after party. So you guys are going to have an after party. After the race, you're going to go to Brody's here on Ladies Island.
Yep.
Beer and chili, but it's always so nice because Higher Ground is such a member of the community, always looking for great ways to give back, and you guys do that throughout the entire year. We had Jody on earlier for Power of the Purse, and as you guys always are so wonderful in donating and auction items, so thank you for that.
You're welcome. We're glad to do it. Glad to be able to do it.
Yeah, absolutely. It makes a difference to be a member, of our community, and we always want to emphasize to come and shop local.
Yes.
If people don't come and spend their dollars here and keep wonderful shops like Higher Ground in business and flush, then we won't have these great places to go shopping and have great places for people to work or looking for part-time work, employ people. So see, Hobie agrees.
Hobie agrees. Yes.
So yeah, come check it out.
Yes, definitely.
All right. Well, I think that's all we have for this episode. So we look forward to seeing you next time.
Thank you, Karen.
You're welcome. And that wraps up this edition of North of the Broad. Hope to see you next time.